weeks and months. Well, let's shall we? Southern Africa, 14 million people facing starvation through drought and a number of other causes. Problems too in eastern Australia and northwest India, and even as close to home as southern Italy, they've had problems with a lack of water in the islands around about the south of Italy and indeed in the south of the mainland itself. The Mediterranean, if you're heading that way, largely dry and fine, really getting quite hot across the south of Iberia, but it's quite a different story as you move further north. We're looking at some very unsettled weather indeed, and that's the way it's likely to stay over the next few days. See how Madrid there gets up to 35, 37 or so, but come further north, Frankfurt for example there, well, a good deal cooler and rather more unsettled, and that's the way it's been in the British Isles. A lot of cloud over the past few hours streaming in from the Atlantic, thick enough for some rain across the north of Scotland. Another pulse of rain gradually eased its way over the Pennines, and in amongst all of this mist and murk, well, you see just how badly some places have fared. This was Plymouth earlier this morning, and yet come just a little bit further towards the east, and these are the sort of conditions we have here in London just at the moment. So quite a mixed bag. We'll keep enough cloud across the north of Scotland this afternoon for some bits and pieces of rain, but further south and east, well, if you've got a ticket for Lord's, not only for today but over the next few days, it will stay dry and fine there, I would have thought. And of course we've got the small matter of the Commonwealth Games in Manchester, and certainly for the opening ceremony I think it'll be cloudy but rather mild and muggy are the themes not only for tonight, 17 or 18 in the south, can you believe, but that's the way we start Friday as well. A lot of cloud, still plenty of cloud and rain across some of these northern and western areas, but as that sunshine begins to break through, well, the West Midlands for example, parts of East Anglia could brighten up very nicely, so too eastern Northern Ireland and eastern Scotland. That will help to lift the temperatures to around about 25 or 26, and the athletes will have a bit of a problem with that heat if it keeps on coming. We're looking at 24 on a fine day for the first day of competition. Now, both through the weekend, Saturday and Sunday, not a great deal of difference, I'd have thought. The Atlantic charts there showing those fronts close by to the north and west of Scotland, but the further south you come, well, the heat just keeps on coming, and Anna, it will stay muggy.